What you doing over there? What you doing? Yeah, that's a good girl. Oh, I know you want to play. Oh, I know you want to play. Hi, sweetheart. Hello, sweetheart. You're my sweet girl. You're gonna be trouble. Where are you going? Where are you going, you little fatty? Yes, you're all little fatties. Pile of fat puppies. Hello, sweetie. You're so sweetheart. You're so sweetheart. I'm gonna get the cord in your face. Hello. Hello, handsome boy. Hello, handsome boy. You guys are messy. Oh, hello. Yes, hello. Oh, you're so sweet. Little wagging tail. You guys are in your dish. Our two fatty girls are being too busy eating. These two are the playful ones. Yes, you guys are the playful ones. Yeah, it's the boy, all right. Hi. Yes, hello. Yes, hello. You girls, you're not being very social. You're too busy stuffing your faces. Yes, you're too busy stuffing your faces. What do you think you're doing?